mga nag-request sa inyo na mag-organize daw ako ng kitchen or kitchen cabinets. So, naisip ko today, gawin yung nire-request ninyo. Salamat sa mga nag-request kasi na-inspire ako or na-motivate ako na maglinis. Maglinis ng aming, ano ba to? Spices and condiments. So, yan. Alam natin mga mamshi, panggulo talaga yung mga spices and cabinets natin. Madami, magulo sila. Hindi natin alam kung saan sila lalagay. Pero today, papakita ko sa inyo ang mga simple tips kung paano mag-organize ng spices and condiments. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo tong video na to at sana may matutunan kayo sa gagawin natin ngayon. So, here you go. Papakita ko na sa inyo kung anong itsura niya.
So first thing that I'm doing, I'm transferring the cooking oils from the original container to the glass oil dispensers. And you guys know how much I love these chalk labels, so there you go, I'm using it again. So these are my spices containers. They are magnetic and super cute, plus it comes with sticker labels, so it's really organized and uniform. I have this for a year now and I haven't seen any problems. Just once in a while washing and refill of spices and it's good to go again. Now I'm just wiping down the inside of the cupboard just to remove the spices that spilled. Now I'm rearranging the spices based on their uses. I'm putting all the spices that we always use in a small white tray, and the big ones or the refills are in the tall white frosted containers. I have to go back and forth just to make sure they will all fit and will look nice. Then I'm prepping these labels. I like these labels because they are so easy to put or remove, leaving no residue on the trays or containers. So for this white small tray, I'm using the black and clear sticker labels. And for this white frosted containers, at first I used the same label as the white small tray, but I realized the labels are so hard to read, so I changed it to a chalk labels. And also what I like about these chalk labels is that it comes with blank ones so you can write your own spices. And here in our bottom cupboards, this is where I put all our liquid condiments and other spices. I just simply rearrange it and remove all the expired condiments and put them in white tray to prevent it from getting spilled.
Okay, so ayan, tapos na tayong maglinis ng ating spices and condiments cabinet. So, papakita ko na sa inyo kung anong itsura niya. Here you go! So yan, thank you so much guys for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video na to at may natutunan kayo or na-inspire kayo na gawin din to sa mga kitchen cabinets ninyo or sa mga spices and condiments ninyo. Ililink down below ko kung ano yung mga stickers, mga gamit na ginamit ko. So that way, makatulong din sa inyo kung naghahanap kayo ng mga stickers or mga inspirations na pwede nyong gamitin.